Let Mommy straighten that.
A mother helps her son get dressed, makes him cinnamon rolls, and gives him ice cream money. But wait, what is she wearing? A petticoat, a blouse, and a bonnet. Laura Sherman oversees the Oconee County chapter of the Junior American Citizens, or the JAC, a group dedicated to teaching American Revolutionary War history to children.
Kids need to know who they are and where they come from. Those are some of the things that I want our children to know about in this next generation. The schools do a fantastic job, but they have a lot on their plate, and this is our focus. This is what we deal with specifically.
Some of their activities include the recitation of the preamble and field trips to different battlegrounds.
A lot of the younger kids love dressing up. They will come whether we ask them to or not in their costumes.
Sherman encourages all to learn about their patriotic heritage, even news reporters.
And at the Sherman household, I've learned some important lessons today, actually, about our historic government documents. We have the Declaration of Independence, which declares our independence. We also have the Constitution, which strengthens our central government. And we also have the Bill of Rights that protects our own personal liberties.
Sherman's son Jack says he enjoys learning about American history, but he looks forward to dressing up in costume the most. His favorite part.
I know you don't really wear this, but I like these clothes.
This is Joshua Buse, Grady News Source.
Perfect union, establish justice,